So hi, what's up guys, this is the Corvus OS S4.1 Eclipse version which is being released for Redmi Note 10 and Note 10 Pro and Pro Max. So I'll be giving a full review of this ROM on this video, and I help you out how to get installed into this. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you love my content, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So guys, firstly I want to share the what performance that I am getting in this ROM, and I have took all the benchmarks and I've also sharing my personal reviews. So let me help you out to see what I got a score whenever I uses the screen benchmarks. And so let's see, this is the CPU throttling test, and I have ran this test in both game space with performance mode and with the normal mode. What this difference between them I will let you know. This is the score that I have run without any performance mode in the game space, which from that I get 1,92,000 GIPS with CPU throttled 80% to its max performance, with the base clock speed is 2.30 GHz, which is ran for 15 minutes at 100 threads. And this is the test that is being again run with the performance mode in the game space, and you can see that it is also being run for 15 minutes, and this is throttled up to 75%, and max is 187,602 GIPS with the base CPU clock speed is 2.30 GHz. So you can see this, we get a downfall of the scores and performance while using the game space. Again, this is run at the normal test, no performance mode is being applied. This is the Slingshot Extreme test which is being run on 3D Benchmark app, and you can see the overall score that I got is the 2642. In that I getting overall better FPS with the comparison to the MIUI. In the physical score I got 2812, which is pretty good to see. And this is the CPU throttling, this is the Geekbench score that I have run on my device. And you are surprised to see this is not a performance mode enabled score that I'm getting on Note 10 Pro, and which got 476 single core and multi-core 1460, and this is the performance mode applied with the game space. If you can see this correctly, I got a score of 401 in single core and multi-core of 1409, which is again a downfall in the scores while applying these results. This is the safety net status that I got while checking this ROM. It is passed, you can run easily, and the CTS profile is also surpasses here. And what I checked about the battery is charging at the full its potential 4.5 amps, which means you can multiply if you know physics. So yeah, this is supporting the 33 watt charging very well. Now let me talk about the settings and whole UI. The impressions that I would give, that the opening and closing speed of any application, and again this is based on not Android 13, this is based on Android 12L, so you are getting a top-notch performance because Android 13 is still in beta phase for custom ROMs, not for the Pixel devices, it's for the custom ROMs only. You can see the app opening and closing speed, and this is not set to 120 Hz, and overall things were too good to see and usage. In my personal usage I get the best battery backups. So let me start from the settings icons. Like for the network and internet, I'm using my primary SIM which I use for daily, and no issues of the call quality, everything works fine. I haven't faced any of the issues. Now again, apps, default apps, you are getting Raven Launcher. Here you can customize your settings according to you, like free RAM, recent icons. Here you can see this, how it sees all apps themed icon. Like you can see that here every app gets changed into the icon themed. So use taskbar, so you can see this taskbar is now being available on this device, so you can do customizations at your own. And you can see this is the taskbar icons that you are getting. It feels like overall a computer like feeling. So yeah, you can do these all settings at your own, no hassles at any problem that you can face and issues. Apart from all that, you can now see what I am getting in my settings, and let me go throughout. And here you can see not getting. And one thing I want to note you, that dual app system is now coming to the custom ROMs also. Yeah, hooray, it's good. And let me talk about the battery stats. this ROM is charging. I already mentioned that fast charging. About that, the battery usage that I am getting is too good. I haven't faced any issues on the battery, so it is good to see that the battery is handling over all the time very well. Now this is the battery manager. You can see the battery manager is working. Battery saver option is there. Smart charging is, you can set it by your own. You can use wish 24 hours format, and location is pre-disabled. Sounds, the haptic feeling is too good. I don't know why, but the haptic feelings are too good, and I love that. You get a vibration intensity, like you can set it low, high according to you, and it's too good. And you are getting per app control also. You are also getting a MIUI sound enhancer in the Corvus settings. Display nothing more new to tell you about. Dark theme, everything is working. Colors option is also given. Tap to wake up, these all settings are working fine. Wallpaper and style, you are getting, because it's not Android 13, you are not getting too much palettes, but according to your wallpaper you are getting the palettes. Security, you get fingerprint and face unlock because Android 12L again, and everything works. If you go to system, gestures, quick tap, and all the settings which is necessary is present over there. So no hassles to get any issues. Double tap on doors, you can also do. Advanced restart is also working. You can see this advanced restart option is also working. About from that, you can also check out the device specific settings. In the higher refresh rate, you can check your higher refresh rate again from here. DC dimming option is there. I already told you, Mi sound enhancer is also given here, so no problems that you are facing right now. Clear speaker also option is given, so you haven't got any issues with this ROM. In the Corvus setting, game space is there. Again, game space doesn't works. I don't know why. What's the reason behind game space is not working fine? I don't want to tell about that. What's the reason? And all the settings is given. Theming, you get dashboard icon styles. Like if I select this, you can see that it gets changed. It's like Havoc OS, but it gets changed. Sorry, theming. So it totally depends on you. What kind of settings do you want? Sorry, again I put on the game space. Status bar options, all the things were working. Nothing to, because I don't want to spoil with the best customized settings that you are getting in this. Battery, you get the battery charging animation that is working fine. And other settings were working. I have double checked that all things were working. Miscellaneous, here you getting pixel storage spoof without any hassle. Higher FPS in games, you can do check out. I don't play games, so sorry for that. And guys, please remember to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it's very important to me. So because I have taken this phone to my friend, so it's humble request to please subscribe to my channel. One day it will come that I will buy on my own for yours. Now this is the all overview of this ROM. What I suggest you can do install this ROM. The device is also certified with the Play Store certification, so you aren't getting any issues. This is not a pre-rooted ROM or anything else. All the thing, closing, opening animations are too good. You can see this, it's now switched to 120 Hz, and the opening closing animations are too good. I love the ROM because I have reviewed 2 to 3 ROMs on this device, and this is the perfect ROM that I have until now checked out. So it's too good to use at your own. The installation steps are too easy. You will get the installation steps in the description, and I'm also telling you right now what you have to do. Just reboot your device into the OFOX recovery, like I am just rebooting my recovery. After successful reboot to your OFOX recovery, in which device you have saved the Corvus OS file, you just need to select that from here, and you have to clean manually flash. Before that, you have to just clear and Dalvik cat art cache and data, and you have to just do this. It writes failed, but it is completed. Now you have to just flash that ROM with your anything, USB storage, everything, because internal storage is still not decrypted. So you have to do that, and after that you have to just YES your data, and you are good to go to reboot this ROM. If you want a better call quality, you can also apply the firmware of the latest MIUI. So get a better. If you don't, it doesn't create any issues. So this is the full and final review of my Redmi Note 10 Pro plus Corvus OS Android 12L. And if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up to my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and be not ashamed of telling anything in the comment. I will read all the comments. So till then, bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video.